friends, welcome to Funwax Art and Craft. Today we are going to make simple easy tops using paper cups and a toothpick. So for this we require a paper cup, a toothpick, few colors and a pair of scissors. So first we take the paper cup and we are going to make a cut in it, starting from the top edge to the bottom. Then we are going to make markings using a sketch pen. Opposite to the cut, we are going to mark a single line, then in between 2 points at equal distances. Now at the points where we have done the markings, we are going to cut them out using the scissor. Once the cutting is done, let us open out the flaps . Once we open the flaps, we are going to cut in a circular shape using a scissor. Very neatly, you are going to cut it into a circular shape at the edges. If it is a child who is making the video, please take help of your parents. Once the cutting is done, we are going to color the bottom of the glass I mean. I am using an orange sketch pen to draw the lines and divide it into 8 equal parts. Then I am going to color them using the green color as I have shown. A magenta color, a blue color, and finally an orange color. Once the finishing of the color is done, I am going to use a toothpick as I have shown in the other set. Pierce the toothpick very carefully and only a little part on the other side. Now it's ready. You can play with it and it's a super easy top that you can make at home very easily. Make one today and leave a comment in the comment section for me. Subscribe to my channel and do like the video and share with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.